This is called Daddy Was a Badass. Well, Daddy was a badass, wore your white trash, never took nobody's lip. He was a honky-tonk dancer, even beat cancer. 40 years smoking, just quit. He had a car reading, pen out black ink tattooed, forearms from the war. He won a Purple Heart medal, but never heard him pedal. They're killing me dead with the core. So they sent him all home, mind down low, nightmares about his past. Well, that's a dang good thing. Mama met Daddy, 'cause Daddy was a badass. You know what? Well, here Mama on the dance floor in deep East Texas. She was the belle of the ball. She had an old bear son, giving him a run for his hand in marriage to dog. Well, all their gangs, and he took her by the home and life. He said, hey, little girl, you're coming with me, and you're gonna be my wife. I guess this torture charm kinda turned it on. This 50 years has passed. Wait a minute. Ooh, he got the one and only girl in the whole wide world. 'Cause Daddy was a badass. Yeah. Well, Daddy made it out of the drilly rig patch. Gambling paid for school. The University of Texas show got reckless, living on 8-ball pool. He had back room all night poker games, a pistol by a rotary phone. He was a hot tip handicapper on football, never took a student loan. With a glass of orange, 70 numbers, everybody in his class, and he drove back home to old East Texas. We know us. How you guys doing back there in the nosebleed section, huh? Those are the $5 seats back there. It's like we got our own little private party tonight in Kent, Ohio. It's like, I don't know, man. I've never seen him headline there before. I saw him open up for Samantha Fish. He was pretty good, but it's Sunday night and we got shit going on, but I hear it's a private party over there. Well, you can't get in, man. It's just for us, right? It's just... At this point, it's become exclusive. Daddy retired and he sold his business and the kids are up and gone. He said, woman, I just can't sit around here. You know I gotta keep bringing it on. Well,